Welcome to Bubble Bath Safari. Jump in the tub and come play with me. Grab your toys and sing along, for learning, laughter, and bubbles all day long. Let's make a splash, everyone. In the jungle tub we splash and sing. Lion cub scrubs his golden ring. Giraffe reaches high, scrubbing dots. Elephant giggles and bubbles a lot. Bubble, bubble, swish and play. Let's learn a fun fact every day. Who lives in the jungle, wild and free? Let's scrub a dub and you'll soon see. Monkey learns to rinse his tail. Zebra sings and tells a tale. Elephant trunk blows bubbles around. Bubbles drifting, soft and sound. Bath time means clean and bright. Friends help friends, it feels just right. Wash your ears, your nose, your hair. Bubble bath safaris everywhere. Now we're clean, shiny and new, but adventures start again with you. Wave goodbye as bubbles float past.